We have a scared little bear girl here today. Bear came up from the shelter. Has been for a couple of months now. And with all those evil people out there setting off fireworks, and my baby girl's a little scared. Aren't you, baby girl? Oh, she won't even look at me. I'm not sure she's ever been in a house. She came into the house, no problem. Even started up the stairs on her own. But then for some reason she slid back down. All the way to the bottom. And once I took her by the leash, she came up with me, didn't you, bear girl? Yes. I think she's afraid of the wood floors. But I was very flattered, Bear, when you finally got enough nerve to walk across the wood floor, and you passed your food bowl in order to come and lay down at my feet. That was so sweet. I wish I had a flash on this side so we can see your pretty face better. Alright, let's hope those fireworks end soon.